In 2025, the Perth Bell Tower will celebrate its 25th anniversary, but the bells inside date back much further in time than that. Up on level 4, you'll find the oldest bell in Australia. It dates back well before European settlement. In fact, all the way back to 1550. The Upton Grey bell was originally cast for the church of St Mary's, Upton Grey, in Hampshire in the UK. In 1993, the bell cracked and could no longer be used, and has now been put on permanent loan to the Perth Bell Tower. 12 of the bells in the bell tower come from St Martin in the Fields Church in Trafalgar Square in London. They were donated to WA in 1988, after negotiations conducted by bell enthusiast and businessman Laith Reynolds. But with nowhere to house them, they were put into storage. The set of 18 bells in the tower was made complete with the addition of 6 newer bells cast in England. This is the second largest set of change ring bells in the world. The total weight of the bells is around 9 tonnes, and when ringing, this exerts considerable force on the structure of the building. It has been specifically designed to withstand these forces using reinforced concrete. In 2018, to commemorate the end of World War I, a 6.5 tonne bell was cast by Veeam Limited in Canning Vale. The huge bell was christened the Anzac Bell, and it is operated by electric motor. The bell tower opens Tuesday to Sunday from 10 AM to 4 PM, with last entries being at 3:45 PM. There are a number of different options, including General Entry, Anzac Bell Tour, and the Bell Tower Experience. For details and pricing, refer to the official website. You'll see a link in the description below this video. The Bell Tower is located at Elizabeth Quay, on the river, in front of Perth City. It's easily accessible by bus, train, and by ferry from South Perth.